Welcome back to my channel. You have R2D2, and today we are going to be making sugar cookies. Christmas edition. Hey you guys, so we're going to be using 1 butter margarine, 1 tablespoon, 1 egg, and the cookie dough, the most important of all. And for the frosting, we're going to use some more margarine, butter, some sprinkles, green sprinkles, pink dye, and some confectionery sugar. So hey you guys, we're gonna be putting the cookie dough in first. The cookie mix. I don't know how much I should put it. We're gonna put in all of it. Dun, dun, dun. All of it is so much. And then I'm gonna use the whole stick of butter, every single bit of it, and I'm gonna drop it. My hand. Dun, dun, dun. So now you're gonna mush the butter into it with a butter knife, a fork, or a spoon. Spoons are the hardest to do it with. You just top the butter into the ingredients with a knife. A butter knife. You use 1 egg. Yay, it's cracked. Now you use a spoon to mix it. Guys, this is so fun. Let's keep mixing. This is fun. Dun, dun, dun. Let's keep mixing. This is so fun. This is actually got easier since we softened everything. And you guys can press to moisturize it. Now you add 1 tablespoon of water. Now we gotta mix it in. This is how it should look like when it is done. We have a dark cookie sheet that we are going to be using. 1-inch ball, put them on the cookie sheet 2 inches apart. I'm gonna do 3 in a row, down. And now let's do this. Yep. This one go here. 1, 2. This much. I think would be good. Now the next row. Let's go. So you guys can take the back of the spoon and press them down a little bit. like 2 presses. Not hard, just soft. Now you could put them in your 350 degrees preheated oven. Get your parents to help you with the oven. Put them in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Cookies are cooking, we're going to do the glaze. Now you're going to take some confectionery sugar and put it into the bowl. You need 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna dump it. 3, 2, 1. 1. One more. And 1 more after the 2. Now we're going to put the butter in. I'm going to put in a dab of butter. Mix it. Now we're going to mix it and so we're going to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Now we're going to get 1 tablespoon of water, but if you need more, add it 1 at a time. Warm water. Now I'm going to scoop this in water, which is ordinary. Open it up a little bit. More. So we're going to put a little bit more water and we're going to get our parents to help us with that. Now I'm going to mix it again. And guys, the butter actually melted so quick. Dun, 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 dun. You guys see this? To me it looks so clear, but on camera it also does, but not as clear as it looks. Okay, I'm almost done mixing it. Add 1 drop of red food coloring because it's Christmas. And now I'm going to start. Whoa, you guys, just turned out in a nice color. Guys, this is pinkish. More? I'm putting more because it's super light. Make sure you get all the excess for the sides. Oh yeah. To wait till the cookies cool until we could put the frosting on. Now that the cookies are cool, we could begin glazing them. I'm gonna start off with the middle one. Okay guys, done with cookie number 1. Oops, turned out a little pink, but that's okay. But now I'm going to put some green sprinkles on it to make it more Christmassy. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this looks awesome. I can't wait to eat it! Now I finished doing it to all of them. Hey guys, they're all done. Right. I say to myself, should I try one? Should I not? I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything. Comment down below if you like the way I made these cookies. R2D2 out.